Hey guys, what I'm going to do now is show you how to repair a stripped thread. So what we have here is the tappet cover, these bolts here. Unfortunately, this aluminium thread, which is actually the cam cap, has pulled out. So we're going to use a helicoil to repair it. So what I'm going to start with is I'm just going to roll up some tape and just tuck it in around the sides of the hole to stop any debris going into the engine. Okay, so now that the surrounding area is blocked off so no swarf can get into the hole, into the engine, we're going to use this helicoil kit. So inside the kit you've got a drill bit, there's a little magnet here for picking up the broken piece of the helicoil, a tap, and then the tool to insert it. And that right there is a little stainless steel thread. So I'll run you through the process of how we do this now. Okay, first we drill out the hole with the drill bit that's supplied in the kit. Okay, so now that we've drilled out the hole, the existing thread, the original thread, what was left of it, has been removed. So then what we do is we take our tap. Now this particular bolt is a M7 by 1, and then we get our tool. So it's got a little slot in it there, and then we start cutting our thread. You've got to make sure that it's going in straight with the hole. So when you're cutting a thread, you just don't wind it all the way in. It's a bit different with aluminium because, like I said, it's soft, but usually you go in and then you back it off to cut the thread. Sometimes you've got to go all the way out, clean the threads out, clean the hole out, because you end up with a lot of swarf and stuff in there. But like I said, this is aluminium, so it's nice and soft. So just wind the baby in. So go all the way down to the bottom of the thread. Okay, and that's bottomed all the way out. Unwind it. Once again, blow out our hole. Okay, so what we have now is a threaded hole. And I'm wrong, this isn't actually a M7 by 1 tap. It's actually, it does say M7 by 1, but not because it is. The whatever the outside of that is, I imagine it's 8mm or something. Because the inside of the helicoil is 7mm by 1, because that's the new thread. So then what we do is we take one of the helicoils, we put it on the end of our, I'm not sure if you can see it there, but there's a little tang, and that goes into the slot facing down. You stick it into your thread. You be careful, and you start winding it in. So once the thread is as far in as you want, all you then do is reverse the helicoil, and ting, there you go, that's broken the tang off, and then you just get your tool out. And this one is actually stayed inside the tool, but sometimes the tang will stay down in the hole, and that's when you get your little magnet and you pull it out. Now, the moment of truth. Stick our pull our little piece of tape out of there, get it started in the thread, and just like that we've repaired the thread. So now we'll use our torque wrench and we'll torque the tappet cover down properly, and we should be good to go.